For 100 years, physics has been chasing ghosts, imaginary particles, impossible forces, mysterious magic, hiding inside equations. But what if the real universe is far simpler, and we misunderstood it from the very beginning? Today, I'll show you the 5 biggest misunderstandings in physics, the ones your textbooks never corrected. Space is empty, actually the biggest myth in science. Most people imagine space as a perfect nothing, but nothing does not exist anywhere in the universe. Real empty space is a dynamic environment, energy, density, background disturbances, gradients, fields, tiny fluctuations. Everything that happens in the universe depends on this medium. Calling it empty is like calling the ocean dry, because you don't see the water molecules. Second, light is a tiny particle flying through space. Misleading picture. The textbook photon bullet model is cute, but wrong. Light bends, spreads, interfere. Redshift slow and media stretches across space. No classical particle behaves like this. A photon is not a glowing marble, it's a disturbance, a ripple traveling through a background with structure. Light is behavior, not a bead. Third, gravity pulls you down. Incorrect mental model. Gravity is not a pulling force. Objects move along paths shaped by the environment around them. You're not pulled. You're following the natural flow of the field you're inside. It's like floating in a river. Your motion isn't because the river pulls you, it's because the current is the environment itself. Gravity is the structure of flow, not a rope pulling downward. Fourth, quantum means random, misinterpreted for 100 years. Quantum physics looks strange only because we use poor analogies. Electrons aren't confused. Atoms aren't undecided. The universe isn't flipping coins. The randomness we see is simply our failure to model the underlying dynamics. Probability appears when we don't understand the environment, not because the universe is fundamentally chaotic. Nature is consistent. Our language is the problem. Fifth, universe expands like a balloon, oversimplified to the point of wrong. The balloon analogy was invented for school children. The real universe does not expand like a smooth, stretching rubber surface. Actual universe forms galaxies, collapse structures, creates black holes, redistributes energy, evolves and cycles. Nothing in reality behaves like a perfect symmetric balloon. Space is not a toy model. It is a dynamic system with complex flows. Physics has become difficult not because the universe is complicated, but because our mental pictures are outdated. When you replace the wrong pictures with better ones, the confusion disappears. Reality is simple. Our metaphors are a problem.